Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we have this position. It is white to play and win, and white's pawns are going forward in this direction. So guys, as always, go ahead, pause the video and guess the move. Best of luck. Okay, welcome back. So the problem is our knight is just under attack and we have to save the knight, or we have to just make a progress with these pawns. So what do you think the first move? That is the question, and we have kind of a couple moves. So these pawns are not that close. I mean, if we just push one of them, we are going to lose one of them and the next is going to be lost, and that is going to be just a draw, right? So keep in mind that even if the rook sacrificed for both of these pawns, and even if we end up with only a knight, we can't win. That is obvious, and it's just insufficient material, and that is impossible to deliver checkmate. So with that in mind, we have to somehow promote one of these pawns into a queen at any cost. That is the main idea and the challenge of the puzzle. So first let we save the knight. I mean, the knight can help us in promoting these pawns. So we have three moves with a knight. So these three moves are the candidate moves. So what would happen if we play knight to b4? Well, in this position, black would just capture our pawn and attack our knight. We have to move the knight. If you push the pawn, black would just simply sacrifice the rook against the pawn, and as I told you, it doesn't matter if we have a knight or not. It's just simply a draw because of insufficient material. So for that reason, this is not the right move, and the other move is to play knight to c3, and that looks stupid and that doesn't do anything, and this is even losing for us. Black would just cut everything and we can't win this. So we just this is the remaining move, and that is the correct move. Knight to c1, that is the first correct move. So here we have two connected passed pawns that are close to the promotion. They are reaching the 6th rank, which means they are getting dangerous as they go further. So here black has no follow-up except to take this pawn, like this. Rook takes b5. So the thing is, black can help the rook, but this leads to a straight fork, and this is going to be just an easy win for us. For that reason, for black, the best response is to capture our pawn on b5. So what do you think the best move in this position? If you'd like to pause again. Well, if you say pushing the pawn straight, you are right. But for those of you who don't get the idea is, yes, the rook can go behind the pawn, but this is just going to be a fork, right? For that reason, the rook can't play c5, and it looks like black can't stop that, and this looks a good response, but that leads to a just losing position. So much better move for black is to move rook to d5 check. So here, what do you think the best move again? Well, the best move is to play king to c2. Now here black has a move to give this check. So if black continues to give us checks, now what we are going to do is play king to d3. The reason why we don't play the other move is, look this. If we just played to b3, black would just capture our pawn, and it's look like we are going to end up with only a pawn, and as I told you, black would just sacrifice simply for the pawn, and that is not going to work if we just played this move. And the other moves are if we just played this move. So if we play that, black would just simply play rook to c2, and we have to take the rook, otherwise black would just move the king, and with the help of the king, black would just stop this pawn, and this is just a draw. So that is the reason. And actually after this check, after the rook plays to c5, we can play to d1 again, and this is still winning, but the better move is to play king to d3. So black now in this position has two choices to do: capture this pawn and capture the knight. So if black captures the knight, all we have to do is play a king move upward this direction to try help the pawns. And if black plays this, we just going to push the pawn, and this is going to be just easy for us, right? So this is winning for us. We just make a new queen and win the game. And black now in this position can just defend this, but we push and protect, and they are just really close, right? So black can get like this, but they are too close. So that is the idea, and that is what we are going to do. And if black just decided to give us check, we are going to go upward to help these pawns. If black gives us check like this, we are going to get in a position like this and promote our pawn. So this is the other variation. So in this position, this is what would happen if black plays rook to c5 check. So what would happen if black captures this instead? So what move do you think the best? Well, in this position, what we are going to do is play knight to b3, and it's a check. The king has to move, and we simply move the pawn, and yes, black can capture this, but we get a queen, right? And black obviously can't play there, and black is just outsmarted, and this is going to be just winning. So this is the solution of the puzzle. For a recap, what we are going to do is play knight to c1, and if black captures this way, we simply push our pawn, and black can't stop the pawn, right? So capturing is not that pretty for black. I mean, there are moves that are more trickier, like rook to d5 check. So in a position like this, we are going to play the king upward direction this way. So the idea is pretty clear, to help these pawns and eventually get rid of the check. So now if black gives us another check, notice we are going to play king to d3, and if black captures, we are going to move here, help the pawns, right? So black now can move the king, but the king is just too far, right? So we can just push this and push this, and they are just really close now, right? So now if black approaches, we push, and black can't actually stop these pawns. So this is what we are going to do, and these are the responses after black plays. So this is the whole solution of the puzzle. Thank you for watching, guys. I will see you in the next video. Bye.